Hi, this is Rhett Rasmussen with Rasmussen Gas Logs and Grills, and I'd like to tell you about our burner kits. In our gas log burner kits, we use a 5/8 inch grate where the teeth are welded on the diamond. This gives a more massive appearance than what the industry standard is, which is 1/2 inch welded on the flat. We also make our burner pans out of 16 gauge cold roll steel and our burner tube pipes out of Schedule 40 pipe, not light duty tubing, not light duty 18 and even 20 gauge steel that some competitors use. We weld all the seams for gas tight integrity, and on some of our burners, like our FX burner, we add in the smaller ember booster tubes that distribute the gas across a wider area, giving you a larger, more radiant ember bed than what you get off of just a traditional burner that does not have that extra burner tubes. One other feature we have in our burners is we thread both internally and externally both ends of the burner pipe, so that gives you maximum flexibility for your installation. Depending on what your situation is, we've got you covered. Some of our burners, like our LC burner, have multiple burners welded to the grate. This provides for more distribution of the gas in different areas. You have your ember bed area, and then you have your main flame area. It's a very efficient use of the gas because you're not spending it on that 4 inches trying to go from the floor up to the top level of the grate. With each of our sets, we provide a flexible stainless steel connector that is painted in black so it blends into the fireplace. And what makes our stainless steel connector different is it has a varying pattern to the crinkles, unlike what you'll find if you go to your local home improvement store and purchase a connector from there. Those types will whistle. Ours, with the varying pattern, breaks up the turbulence that causes the whistles, and at the BTU flows of a traditional gas log set, even up to the larger sizes, you don't get the whistling noise coming through the gas log burner. And with most of our burner sets, we also provide a bag of volcanic ash. The volcanic ash can be sprinkled on the floor of the fireplace around the burner. It simulates burned ash, just a nice little decorative effect that we include with most of our sets. The final effect is glowing embers, nice yellow luminous flame to put into your fireplace. This is Rhett Rasmussen with Rasmussen Gas Logs and Grills.